dance to the meditation of your heart. Spend more time with your thoughts so that you can understand the language of your thinking. Sometimes we fail ourselves because we want to work so hard on the things that are clashing with our inner beings. It's in this regard that we end up struggling to be true to ourselves. You cannot be rich if you continue to think poorly. Dancing to the meditation of your heart means that you learn to become your best friend. Whenever you need to make a decision, you know that you can trust yourself and get to the best level of your capabilities. Dancing to the meditation of your heart can become a good cure for social ills such as peer pressure. There's a voice somewhere inside your body asking you heavy questions whenever you are about to do something wrong. They sometimes refer to it as your instincts. If you can teach yourself its language, you'll be able to conquer the life's challenges much easier than before. You'll be able to do what it tells you to, and that is dancing to the meditation of your heart. A lot of people find themselves doing wrong things because of boredom. Some start smoking because they are bored. Drinking alcohol or even dating out of boredom might put one's life in danger. Don't misinterpret my message. I'm not saying people shouldn't smoke, drink, or even date. What I'm saying is that if you are doing that because you are bored, then you might have a problem. It's always best to spend some time with yourself so that you become more aware of your capabilities. Failure to dance to the meditation of your heart may result in you pursuing wrong career that can make you frustrated for the rest of your life. Some people are struggling with a low self-esteem because they allow the outside world to determine what should happen inside. You get someone who needs approval from friends or certain group of people on how they should live their lives. Their decisions seem wrong to them unless approved by the people they iconize. In a way, this is more like slavery. You become other people's slave in order to live your life. It's wrong. We were created with a certain portion of independency, and we must use it whenever it's needed. Yes, no one is an island, but also our lives cannot be controlled by other people as they please. It's high time we spend time with our thoughts and learn our languages of thinking so that we can freely dance to the meditation of our hearts. During the meditation, special things take place. You are able to connect with your spirit and level of thinking improves. When we fail to meditate, we sometimes find ourselves stuck in a world populated with problems that we can't solve. It's when we meditate that our minds are able to take a break from the man-made world by connecting to the world of wisdom that exists from within. The more frequent we connect to this world, the better chances we have to escape stress that might lead to depression, which seem to be the major contributing factor in people committing suicide. Sometimes we just need to know ourselves better, and we can keep up with the so-called pressure from the outside world. We are capable. We should just learn to dance to the meditation of our hearts, and something might happen.